Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to tell you about some amazing animals that you may know very little about. So make sure you watch this video till the end because today's video is going to be very interesting and important. We will introduce you to some unique animals that you might have never seen or heard of before. Some of these animals live deep in the jungle, while others can be found in our homes as pets. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, about 100,000 times stronger than humans. Bears live in forests, mountains, tundras, and even icy Arctic regions. Bears are mammals and belong to the family Ursidae. Bears have strong bodies, thick fur, and powerful claws for digging and climbing. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Bears are omnivores. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. It's in their nature. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Cheetahs mainly hunt gazelles, impalas, hares, and other small animals. They rely on speed and strategy, stalking prey before sprinting to catch it. Cheetahs live in Africa, mostly in open plains and savannas, and small populations exist in Iran. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos secrete a reddish, oily substance from their skin. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, and sunblock. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. It makes up about 99% of their diet. They can eat for up to 14 hours a day, munching on bamboo leaves, shoots, and stems. Pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae, and are technically carnivores. Chickens have a sophisticated repertoire of over 30 distinct vocalizations. They have different calls for aerial predators, like a hawk, versus ground predators. Chickens are the closest living relatives of the Tyrannosaurus rex. Genetic studies have confirmed this link, making them modern-day dinosaurs. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view, almost 320 degrees around. Leopards are found across Africa and parts of Asia, from rainforests and mountains to savannas and deserts. Leopard's pattern of rosettes, spots shaped like roses, is unique, just like a human fingerprint. Leopards live alone, marking territories with scent and scratch marks. They meet only for mating or when a mother is raising cubs. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they travel easily across sand. A camel's hump stores fat, not water. It's used for energy when food is scarce. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels have special blood cells that allow them to handle dehydration better than most animals. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Lions live mostly in Africa, in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. Rhinos have been on Earth for over 50 million years. Some of their extinct ancestors were woolly and lived during the Ice Age, and one species. Rhino horn is illegally trafficked for use in traditional medicine, despite having no proven medicinal value. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves have 42 teeth built for tearing meat and crushing bone. Wolves can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour when chasing prey. Wolves are carnivores. Zebras belong to the horse family, Equidae. They're close relatives of horses and donkeys. Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, to escape predators. Zebras eat mostly grass, but also leaves, herbs, and bark when grass is scarce. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they like to live and hunt alone. A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles, away. Tigers have orange coats with black stripes, but some are white due to a rare gene. Moose thrive in cold climates thanks to a thick, insulating coat. They are so well adapted that scientists have found they don't even begin to feel the cold until temperatures drop far below zero. Moose often feed on aquatic plants. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. We are absolutely thrilled to have you here. A great big thank you to each and every one of you for clicking on this video and joining us on today's wonderful adventure.